Today I'm harvesting my kombucha, and I thought I'd take you along with me. This is the SCOBY that makes it all possible. Looks gross, but it is awesome. Here I am harvesting 2 cups of this kombucha to make my next batch of kombucha tea. There is the fabulous fizzy head on top. Here I am adding the starter kombucha for my next batch to my SCOBY, and I'll store it in here until I make my next batch with the lid on. These are the bottles. I will have a link below so you can get some if you're interested. They hold carbonation. And here I just wanted you to see all of the carbonation bubbles just floating to the top. Amazingness. All of that carbonation. There it is in my fridge, ready to go for me to drink.